The ARB Zero is a high-quality and durable portable fridge freezer that is designed for use in a wide range of outdoor activities such as camping, fishing, and off-road adventures. This model is offered in different capacities from 38 quarts single zone to 101 quarts double zone, depending on your needs and budget. This fridge uses a highly efficient and advanced compressor technology that allows it to run on a minimal amount of power, making it ideal for off-grid use. It features an easy-to-use digital display that allows you to control the temperature settings and monitor the battery level. One of the major wins is that it's built with high-quality materials that are designed to withstand harsh outdoor conditions. It features a weather-resistant and impact-resistant exterior with a reinforced hinge and lockable lid. The fridge can be powered by 12-volt, 24-volt DC or AC power, making it versatile and adaptable to a range of power sources. You can also use a portable lithium battery such as Jackery or whatever brand you prefer, and you can keep it running for a long time. It is designed to operate with a minimal noise, making it ideal for use in quiet environments like campsites, and the dual-zone version can function as both a refrigerator and freezer, allowing you to store the different types of food and drinks at their ideal temperature. After testing different brands and models, overall the ARB Zero portable fridge is a top of the line that offers a range of features and capabilities, being my #1 choice to carry in my vehicle for overlanding trips. The last thing you want is to be in the bush and run out of your fridge. That's why a reliable and high quality performing fridge is priceless.